Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we can see, there are pattern forming. Okay, and this is as per 15 minutes chart, so it will not be a big movement, but there is a chances. See, it has touched the level of $2.6852, and yes, it has crossed this level, and after this level it came down. Okay, again it is trying to form the same pattern, so chances will be high it can, if it started sustaining this, go above a level of $2.7, because this level we have not seen since 6 around, you can say 4-5. Probability is higher that we can see it will go above a level of 2.7. okay, in even 15 minutes chart you will see the good volatility we have seen in the price of natural gas. Okay, I will show you a day wise chart where you will see, understand how it is. See, if you look at this particular trend, we have not seen good volatility compared to this. As soon as it filled this particular gap, there is a continuous downfall. Now if you go on a day wise chart, you will see clearly how the price of natural gas is moving. See, after crossing this particular zone, a zone of $3 and $2, there was a high, we have seen 2, and after that there is a fall. Okay, again it has come in this zone because it has moved out of that particular support, and now it is trading below a level of $3. And I have already told you and suggested you that if it started moving below $3, we will see it will move in a zone of around 2.5 and $3, and if it crosses a level of $2.5 further down, a further downfall movement we can see in the price of natural gas. This gap is still remaining. I have clearly telling you in my most of the video that if the price comes close to this level, this gap filling is very higher, so chances of making good profit at this level is there. Okay, now before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, clearly I'm explaining you that if the price started sustaining above $3, chances will be higher. We can see the price will started sustaining above $3, can touch a level of 3.3 and then to a level of 3.5 and a further upside. But if the price started moving below this particular zone, again $5, a further fall we can see, because chances are very high then that if started moving below a level of 2.5, a further downfall we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, so let's look if the price didn't sustain. Chances are very high, yes, it will not sustain. Okay, and then there is a higher chances, because see, look at this trend, opposite trend U pattern is forming, and chances are high that if the price didn't sustain this level, it will move further down towards $2.6673, which is already being a weak support, and then from there a probability of going towards $2.6346. Okay, and once the price started moving below this particular level, chances are very high it will move towards a level of $2.6194. okay, and if started moving below that particular zone, chances of going towards 2.5724 is there. Okay, as soon as started moving below a level of $2.5742, chances are high it will cross a level of around 2.4729. okay, and then there will be a zone breakout also after, okay, August. So probability is very high that we can see it will try go downside, and then it will cross below a level of $2.4, and chances of touching a level of 2.33215 is there. As soon as started going below that particular zone, yes, a probability of going towards 2.2 we can see, and from there a probability of touching 2.11618 is there, and then a further downfall we can see. As soon as it started moving below 2.1, actually 2.5, we will see a level of 2.1 also, and if started moving below this level, a probability of going further downfall we can see, and then chances of going further fall below a level of $2 also we can see. Okay, now understand, see, market is always uncertain. If you overall trend is downside, but it is in a volatile range. Okay, so suppose it form a swing, what we can see, suppose it form a swing, chances are high that we can see it will go further upside towards $2.7542. okay, and if started moving off that level, chances of crossing a level of 2.8681 is there. Once the price started going above that level, a probability of crossing a level of $3.053 is there. Okay, and once started going above that particular zone, then yes, a probability of crossing that particular zone will be there, and from there a level of 3.729 is there. Once the price started going above that particular level, a probability of going towards 3.580 is there. Above that level, a probability of going towards 3.6670 is there. Okay, and once the price started moving above 3.6770, we will see a level of $3.746, and then from a level of 3.9, and then after that this gap can be filled. Okay, it might feel repetitive some of the points, because in a day wise thing you have to remember the natural gas price is not showing so much of volatility. But if you have if you know how you are trading HNU, probability is very high that we can see HNU can go further down, because probability of going natural gas is on a high downside, and HND we can see it can go further upside a little more. I'll explain you in the shorts video today. I'll upload the shorts for HNU HND, you can watch it. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.